Alright, welcome guys. In today's video I'm going to cover 2.1.3, putting it together. We're gonna go ahead and put the selfie stick together in Inventor. So we're going to go ahead and complete step 6 and 7. Again, this is going to be broken down into different videos. So we'll start off here by downloading the Inventor selfie stick part. So go ahead and click on the link here for Inventor selfie stick part. You're going to go ahead and click on the downloaded zip file. You're going to go ahead and click extract all. And then you should see pop up like this. Click extract. Now you have the extracted files. You're going to go ahead and click on the first file, which has all of the components put together. Right. So go ahead and double click there and it should open up in Inventor. So again, make sure you have Inventor launched. I'm just going to open up my model browser. We're going to go over the parts here for the selfie stick. Again, here we have the shoe top. We have the shoe bottom. We have the shoe, stick adapter, phone holder bottom, phone holder top, the top stick, and then the bottom stick. Right. And now here this one's pinned. This one means that it's grounded. So that means that it cannot move. I'm going to uncheck that so it does, so it is able to move. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and put together our first part. Again, it's going to be the stick adapter. I want to move it up here, and then also the shoe bottom. I want to move it up here. And then once that's these two are together, I'm going to go ahead and zoom in. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and click constrain. And then I'm going to select, again, this line here, this x-axis, the green line. It's going to turn blue. And then the same thing for this part, the green line. Once I see the green line, I'm going to go ahead and click. And then now it's together on that axis. I'm going to press apply. And then it's, again, I can move it. It just means that it's stuck to that axis, on the same axis of the two lines that I selected. Okay. So again, we're going to go ahead and repeat the process. I'm going to select constrain. This time I'm going to mate, right, this part here. There we go. And I want to mate it with the inside of the stick adapter, this inside here. There you go. And you hear the click, and I'm going to press apply. Now these two parts are together. Now I can press home. I can press the X. Now I can press home. And now I can see my part. There we go. All right, so next up, we're going to go ahead and put together the two sticks. Or actually, we'll put the adapter into the top stick. There we go. I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to go ahead and click constrain. This time here we have different options. We have angle, tangent, insert, and symmetry. I'm going to go ahead and click insert because that's what we're going to do. I'm going to go ahead and insert. I'm going to go to the bottom view of the stick adapter, right? This part here. And then I'm going to zoom out and go to the top stick. And I want the adapter to go all the way to the bottom here. There we go. Now I can press apply. There we go. So we're going to go ahead and put together the top stick and then the bottom stick. Let me click home. There we go. So same thing, I'm going to constraint. I'm going to go ahead and select the two green lines. Now I'm going to press apply, and now they're on the same axis. So now when you go ahead and move the top and bottom stick, it'll actually slide out. All right. So now we'll go ahead and put together the shoe and then the shoe top. So we're going to do the same process. Constraint. And then we're going to insert. And then we're going to insert the bottom of the shoe. And then I'm going to go ahead and go to the other part. And then I'm going to select the circle. And then now it's inserted. Then I'm going to press apply. I'm going to press home and then zoom out. There we go. All right, so let's go ahead and put these two together. So I'm going to repeat the process, constraint. Actually, I'm going to press cancel. I'm just trying to make it easier on myself. So constraint, again, mate, and then I'm going to select this part here. This square, again, these two sides with the other sides from the selfie stick. With these two sides. There we go. Then I'm going to go ahead and press apply. And then now we're going to go ahead and flush. So I'm going to leave the menu open. And then this is just going to straighten out the part that we just inserted. So I'm going to go ahead and click flush. Again, this is going to even out this part and this part. There we go. So now there should be straight. Actually, let's go ahead and undo. Let's press cancel. So we'll do constraint, flush, and we'll do this part with this part. There we go. I'm going to click apply. And then same thing. We're going to do flush. We'll do this part and this part. There we go. All right, so now I want to press cancel. All right, so let's go ahead and put these two together. I'm going to click constraint. I'm going to zoom in here. All the way down to the bottom. Until you see, let's see. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and zoom out. And zoom in. And there we go. There we go. Again, if it's backwards, that's fine. You can always click aligned. Okay, and it'll align it. Let's bring up this next part. So now, let me cancel, go home. There we go. So let's go ahead and constraint. Again, one of these axes with this axis. There we go. We can always click align. Apply. There we go, sliding, it's working. Constraint, we'll do this one with this one. There we go. So now I'm gonna click apply. Should move back and forth. All right, so again, after you've done this part, make sure you click File, Save As. Again, you can tell it 2.1.3 selfie stick parts, inventor, and then go ahead and click Save. Again, press yes, and it should save. Again, if it doesn't save, in my case, there's a similar file. I can just pay, okay, new IED. Continue saving, yes, and it should save.